So my auntie sent me some cookware. I showed you guys a video of the box before this, but it came with so many pieces. Like, I don't even know what this is. Okay, it's a strainer. Okay, I'm gonna have to start cooking because this got a lot of stuff in it. So we got that. Okay, cute little pot. Which I'm glad I have this size because I don't cook for a lot of people. Sometimes I'm just cooking for myself or one other person. So it's not, I don't need a lot. But, what? This is like, yeah. Got the lids. I love that these are silver. I think that looks really nice. And I'm gonna put all this in the dishwasher to get cleaned. Oh yes, big pot. So I can finally make me some cabbages. Nice size. Another one. Wow. I'm gonna be cooking, y'all. Cooking. Pan. Definitely get some use out of this because I'm a breakfast girl, so omelet, sausage, bacon, eggs, toast, grilled cheese, all that. Ooh, look at that. That is nice, y'all. Look at that. This is nice. Oh, and it also came with some cutlery, which is silver. We got that, that. Very nice. A bigger size. Ooh, that's beautiful too. You know you're an adult when you get excited about pans and pots. Ooh, yes. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. So I'm in a rush. I'm headed to Kia of Greer because I'm going to potentially upgrade my car. I currently have a 2017 Kia, and I'm going to, let's speak it into existence. I am going to be upgrading my current car to a 2020 or 2021. That is the goal today. And I did want to take my car by the car wash to get it vacuumed. Because, you know, presentation. I didn't want to bring them a car, but I did, dirty car, but I did make an appointment for 12:30 and I'm cutting it kind of close. So I'm just getting some trash out of here real quick. I'm at the trash again. Hold on, y'all. And I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It's just, I like to, you know, presentation, first impression is everything. And I want them to appraise the car fairly. Let me check the trunk. But I mean, the car overall is in great condition. I've only had it for a year. Well, not even a full year yet. I got it last July 20. Yeah, at the end of July 2020. And so I haven't even had it a full year. So, and I'm actually thinking that I might be alright if I don't take it by the car wash. I don't know. Is that important to do? I don't know. But I'm gonna link up with you guys when I get to another spot or need to provide you another update. So I decided to vacuum my car out, y'all, just a little bit. I just don't want them judging me. They be like, damn, this bitch is nasty as fuck. Her car has dirt all in it. I've been spending a lot of time with my nieces and nephews and my baby sister and baby brother. And for some reason, kids carry crumbs. Like, they'll get in my car one time and then I have like a million crumbs. Like, make it make sense. Let my window down because everybody got time to be getting locked out the car. Oh my gosh, I forgot to bring the other spare key. So I don't think this works. I might just have to dust off the rugs. Son of a biscuit. So that was a fail. I came into the Sphinx right here to try and vacuum out my car real quick. The vacuum doesn't even work. Hi y'all. So an update. So I didn't get a 2020 or 2021, but it's okay. So I decided to pass on it because the car payment that they wanted me to pay was a little above what I wanted to pay. I wanted to either keep it where I'm currently at or lower it, of course, and try to lower the interest rate. And they weren't able to meet all of those things that I wanted. So I decided to just keep my current Kia, which is a 2017. I'm going to go ahead and pay that off and enjoy not having a car payment whenever I pay it off. So it's like but it's also like, it's okay. It's all good. So now I am headed to the beauty supply store because I need to get some of the LA Girl Pro Concealer because I'm dangerously low on that, and I use that for my eyebrows and to highlight. I cannot be going out of that, so I'm about to go pick up some of that and also some lash glue. I need some more lash glue. And I need to deposit some money in the bank. And is that all that I have to do? I think that's all I have to do. But yeah, like buying a car is a lot. Like, having the capital and the money to do it is the easy part, but it's the, like, make sure you're getting a good deal, make sure you're getting a good car payment that you're not going to be struggling to pay, that's going to fit into your budget, make sure your interest rates aren't ridiculous, you know, negotiating and making sure you're going to get something reasonable. That's the hard part. The rest of the stuff is simple. Having the money, Simple. That's the simple part. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. Like, I test drove the car. It was a 2021 Kia Forte. It was black interior and exterior. Basically what I wanted. The car I have right now is like a gray. They call it titanium something gray. But I like black cars. I like the way black cars look. Black looks sleek and just nice. So he had me test drive the black car. I was like, trying not to fall in love with it. But I'm like, it would be so... But yeah, I just feel like it would have been really irresponsible to sign on the dotted line for that car and to, you know, get a car payment that I wasn't comfortable with, or any of the other agreements on that contract for that car. So I thought it was the smartest thing to just keep what I'm currently got, because that's definitely just a want. It's not a necessity for me to get that car. So yeah, that's where I'm at on that. So I'm gonna run these errands real quick, and I guess I'll check in with you guys later. Okay. Oh yeah, y'all. So I got this little shield from Amazon, right? Because, you know, I wear makeup, obviously. I don't even know if you can hear me, actually. But I got this from Amazon. So I just left out of the hair store, and I picked up the items that I came for. I got the LA Colors Pro Concealer in shade Fun. And the lash glue, and it's the INV Super Strong Hold Waterproof lash glue. Because I tried the Kiss one that I used to use in the past, and it just wasn't hitting like it used to hit. So I had to go back to what I know. Dang, look how long my hair getting, y'all. Girl. Starter locks where? Because my locks looking like veterans. My locks looking like veterans, actually. So now I got to go to the bank and deposit some money. I don't like having cash on me. I have a lot of cash on me, and I want to deposit it, so I'm finna go do that. I mean, I don't have a lot of cash. Well, I mean, by the time I post this, anybody gonna come at me around me? Let me go. I'm rambling. And then, yeah. Friday. I am on my way to a dentist appointment. I'm going to get my cleaning today, and then I gotta go get an oil change for the car. And I think I got plans for tonight, but we will just have to see. I hope everybody's having a good Friday. If not, it will get better. It always gets better. But yeah, happy Friday. So I'm at the dentist's office. I do go to Aspen Dental, and I was just going to get my cleaning done, but we also talked about possibly closing my gap using Invisalign. So as you see on that screen, they were kind of showing me results that I may be able to get, but I will provide an update and let you guys know what I decide to do. All right, I just left the dentist. I got me some goodies. What did they put in here? Oh, my appointment card, a toothbrush. Oh, they didn't give me no toothpaste. Oh, they gave me a toothbrush and some floss. No toothpaste today. So now it's time to go get this oil change. So I ended up going to the express oil change place to get my oil changed, and it was literally right beside my dentist's office. So that was convenient. So while they, handled everything with my car, I was in the lobby. So I'm making me some coffee here, and you know what? I don't know why I literally made a cup of coffee right after I left the dentist from getting my clean. I'm addicted at this point. But anyway, so they were really friendly here. I usually go to this place, but just not this particular location. And they were...
We talked about having a woman earn more money. I would welcome that.
Opportunity
too, because like I said,
who is this man? He is so handsome.
If she make more money,
but anyway, I found this new show, Russian. Anyway, check it out, y'all. Hey, y'all. I'm trying to think. What was the last thing I recorded? I think I showed y'all that I went to go get my oil change last, because I went to my dentist appointment to do a cleaning, and then I went and got my oil change and my tires rotated. Now I'm back at home, and I put some makeup on and just did myself up a little bit, because of course I didn't wear makeup to the dentist office. I didn't wear makeup there. So I put it on, and I'm gonna wear my glasses today, so I didn't put on any lashes today. And I put my robe back on because when I'm at home, I don't like to have on no clothes. Okay? Of course, if I have guests, I'll put clothes on. But if I'm just at home and I'm comfortable, honey, I'm putting my robe on. I don't want to have no clothes on. But yeah. So I'm back at home. I'm watching the Cocktails Dirty Discussions podcast YouTube video right now. Episode 239. Is there a heart in the house tonight? And they're just talking about like breakup songs and stuff. Really entertaining. It's been a good episode so far. I'm almost done with it. But now I'm just chilling, and I think I'm going to fix me something to eat. My auntie got me some new pots and pans. I used them this morning to make my breakfast, and they work really well. And I think I'm going to make me some pasta salad for lunch. I think I want some pasta salad. And yeah, I'll make me some pasta salad and maybe some green tea. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just chilling. Oh yeah, do I need a nap? Anyway, so I was gonna go back out because I wanted to go get some lingerie. Like, I don't know, I like to have lingerie. Like, it makes me feel like I'm a princess. And I just want something new. So I was thinking about going out and maybe picking up some lingerie or something nice for myself. But now that I'm in the house, I don't really feel like going back out. So I don't know if that's gonna happen. Yeah, so that's what's happening. As far as my plans tonight, I'm pretty sure I'll be doing something, but I'm just not sure what I'm gonna be doing, so. But yeah, I will check in with you guys if something happens. In this robe I got from City Trends a few years ago. And if you shop at City Trends, then you know it's so affordable, so cheap. So, and I'm definitely feeling the color red. Like, I go through these phases with colors. It's either red, white, or black, or brown, or leopard print. Sorry, not getting phases where that's all I wear for the moment. So my nails are red, my toes are red. I keep wearing red lingerie and my red robe. Everything's red. Might even pop out with a red lip. You know what? I might do a red lip. I haven't done a red lip in a while. Mostly because we're a mask, and who's trying to wear a red lip and have to put a mask on? But anyway, I digress, and I'm gonna cut this clip because it's getting long. Okay, y'all, bye. I chew it in your face. Oh. Okay.
Hard. Will you move what?
Her biting won't hurt me.
Yeah.
Well, don't even try to fry because you know she be biting you off.
She bit me on the muscle before. Yeah.
I'm trying to teach her. No.
Oh my God.
I'm just No, you sit down there now. You late. She already was up here. Sit down there, Mark, on the bottom step. Down, right there. Yep. Slow.
Dang, I thought I was going in.
Me too. I see things. This is not my face.
You said. I just said we gotta go in order when we at the house. 5, 6.
And then it's not one to act like today.
It's already recording.
7 and 0. You can't be if we don't have.
Nice.
Ooh, that's on camera?
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm not new to this. Actually, I am. I don't know. So I get to go again, right?
Yeah. Your stripes.
Strimes. I'm strimes. Oh, hey! Camera.
That what?
That we don't get stick on the curve.
It's a shit.
Well, I'm glad.
Who came up with that word?
You don't want that.
Like, who came up with the word weird?
That tough meat. Just come on.
Because
Because
what
it's
the
on the
world
stick.
can't.
I don't know who came up with it, but they gave it the right.
Nice.
Pretty good, now.
Was that straight?
Yeah, it was
Okay.
straight.
Y'all didn't see it, but it definitely happened.
Yeah, it's in.
It's a
Hey y'all, woke up. Anyway, I'm not gonna cut that. Anyway, guys, welcome back to another day in my vlog, the Cocoa Collection. I have set up our little setup here for I'll drink to that. So we're gonna be sitting on the couch today. So if you can see, I kind of switched up the lighting as well. I really like the way the lighting looks. It makes me look good. I still got my chocolatey color. But yeah, I just want to check in with you guys. and let you know that is what we are doing. And today is Monday, so it's Memorial Day. So happy Memorial Day. Okay, bye.
And you know,
I just don't know.
To be keep it real. I mean, that is something I really feel like.
Yeah.
And them white people, they just sit here laughing. They
like
look
they
at it,
do.
they look at you, but they be like, oh, the heathens.
I be
Look
feeling
at
like
them.
that too.
They
I
can't even
hate
keep
that.
their women in control.
It's like
they're all on the internet showing their
getting
goodies.
embarrassed in front of company or something.
I mean, for real.
Look at the black people. Look at the black people.
Yeah, look at.
Oh,
look at
Do
y'all
you
can't
have
control your women.
Do you have a twerk video online?
Hell
Me
no.
either. I'm happy to
I
say.
would never in my motherfucking life.
I'm
And
happy
I
to
ain't
say I
trying
do
to
not have
judge
a
nobody.
twerk.
I ain't trying to judge nobody. I'm sorry, but that's
Right.
just something I just don't.
Yeah.
I don't rock with that. Like,
Yeah.
okay, it's okay to like have clothes on. You might take a picture. You might.
It's
snap
a way to be
back shot.
tasteful. Yeah.
Be tasteful. But when it comes to like the ass cheeks bare and
Spraying
bam,
them
bam,
Yeah.
you see the twat, the pussy
Ooh,
clean. And
ooh.
I just don't think that's right.
Yeah.
Way.
Because I've heard people get married in a year. So it's people out here that will marry you. I would never do that in a year.
I
You
don't
think you know a person
You
in
don't
a
know
year?
nobody in a year.
Thank you. But they be doing it, girl.
I can't.
I be like, I don't even know him. A year? I still got my front up a little bit.
Yeah, you don't know nobody in no damn
No.
year, especially if y'all don't live together.
Mm-hmm. Especially if y'all don't live together. Then y'all live together, you be like, no, I hate this bitch. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. Now,
You know what? Another topic that we need to bring.
Mhm.
We've seen videos where black men are saying that black women, are no longer marriage material, wife material. And I get it,
you do?
but I don't.
I think they talking about them little young whippersnappers.
Yes, and they pretty
picking
much
the
have
wrong
now
bitches.
all in a box, as a whole, they're saying
Yeah.
black women are not wifey material. So I think we should do that. Talk about that.
We should definitely.
And why, as far as why black women
Yes.
can still
Be
wife
wifey
material.
because we are.